Okay guys, in today's video I am going to show you CPA Marketing Content Locking method. So first thing you need to do, you need to offer something valuable. Now you can find something valuable that you will offer for free on IDPLR. So what you need to do, you need to hover over free products and then click here, for example, on free videos. And here you can find free video courses that you can offer for free. And here you can see all the available video courses. Or you can simply type here your main keyword. So let's say, for example, I wish to offer something in weight loss. So I will here simply type weight loss. Okay, loss. And then press enter. And here I will get free weight loss related video courses. Here you can see all the available courses that you can actually offer for free. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this one here, Hit to Fit, okay? And here I will be able to download this video course totally free. All I have to do is just click here on download and download this to my desktop. Now I will not do that now because this is a large file and it will take lots of time. So next thing you need to do, you need to host this video course somewhere. Now I would suggest to use AppForever.com. Now you can host it wherever you want, but the reason why I suggest this website is when you come here you can see they will pay you up to $7 for 1,000 downloads. Now that is not that much money, but that is not important because why not make some extra money when you are already promoting downloading this Hit to Fit video course. So make some extra money. So what you need to do, you need to register for a free account here on AppForever. And after you register for a free account, this will be your dashboard. So what you need to do, you need to click here on upload files. And here you need to click here on choose file and you will upload your file. Like I said, this is a large file, so I will not do that. Actually, I already uploaded this file and this is how it will look. Here you can see how this actually looks. So what you need to do, you need to copy this HTML code, okay? Control C. So next thing you need to do, you need to make a bridge page. You can make a bridge page in Kartra, in ClickFunnels, in System.io, or wherever you want. But I'm guessing that most of you will actually use Google Sites. So I will simply go on Google Sites and here what you need to do, you need to click here on change an image, change actually header image. Click here on upload and here you can actually upload your header image. This is the image. Now these images, like I added in background, you can get them on IDPLR. When you actually download this file, you will get cover images, promotional images, banners and stuff like that. So you don't have to go on Google Images and find it. You will already get that when you download it from IDPLR. And you can upload that here. Here you can add title or you can simply delete this, okay? You can simply delete this, okay? And then what you need to do, you need to double click here and then you need to click here on TT for text and you need to add something like this, okay? And actually I will make this to be, actually I will make this part here, Hit to Fit, to be bold, okay? And I will make the rest of this text to be not 11, but to be, let's just say, for example, 18, okay? And then what I need to do, I need to go back here on AppForever and I need to copy this code, okay? Copy this and then go back here. And then what I need to do, I need to click here on embed, okay? And then click here embed code and paste my code here. And click here on next, click here insert, and that is it. This is how it looks. If you know HTML, you can actually change the font style, you can change the size of these letters, you can change the color of these letters, but you don't really need to do that. Now, next thing we need to do, we actually need to create a content locker. Now, you can do that in any CPA marketing network that you want, but for this purpose, I will actually use Cpagrip. And what I need to do, I need to click here on create new content locker, agree to the terms of condition, click here continue. And now what I wish to do, I actually wish to click here on templates and you can choose one of these templates. So for example, because I'm guessing that most of the traffic will actually come from cell phones and smartphones, I can choose one of these. So let's just say, for example, I will use this one here, okay? And this is how it will look. And when I click here on general, I can actually change these things here if you want, but you don't really need to do anything here. And all I have to do now is just click here on save and I will create my content locker. Click here on get the code, okay? And I need to click here copy code and I need to go back on Google Sites. And then I need to click here on this pencil to edit my embed code, and I will actually paste content locker here, click here on next, click here on save, and that's it. And when I click here on preview, you can see how this actually looks. And here you can see, please complete a survey below to unlock this protected content. Now currently there are no surveys for my own country, that is why I cannot unlock this. But if I live in United States, United Kingdom, France, Australia, or wherever, I would be able to see available offers that I can complete and unlock this, and I will be able to download Hit to Fit video course totally free. So let me just close this. All you have to do now is just click here on publish and publish this Google site. So now you need to start driving traffic to this Google site page, okay? And one of the best places where you can get targeted free traffic are actually forums. You can use findforum.net to find forums in any niche. So for example, when I click here on forum niches, I can click here on weight loss. And then here I can find weight loss related forums in this forum directory. And what you need to do, you need to register on all of these forums, okay? And you need to start contributing every day to these forums. Now here you can see some basic information about each of these forums. And like I said, just start contributing to each of these forums every day. And also in the signature, here you can see there are currently 3,848 people, members actually, on this forum at this point, at this moment. So this is a large forum and it is getting lots of traffic. And like I said, just start contributing every day. And what you need to do, you need to add your link in your signature, link to your Google page site where you're promoting your content locker. And like I said, if you do that every day, trust me guys, you will start getting clicks, you will start getting visits to your Google page, and people will start completing these surveys and you will start making money. And also you need to join to another forum, weight loss forum, and another and another. The more forums you join, the more forums you engage, the more traffic, more free and targeted traffic you will start sending, and you will start making more and more money. So this is CPA Marketing Content Locking method for 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.